What up, YouTube? This your boy Distinct Lundau, coming back with another video. But first off, I wanted to give that man upstairs all the praise for giving me this opportunity to get this vlog together for y'all. But today we're going to be taking the Malibu to the muffler shop, getting that muffler system put on. Finally going to get something done. I know the coronavirus had a lot of places busy, closed down, all type of stuff, man. But yeah, like I say, getting the muffler system put on. Got that merch in too. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna have a few pictures of the Malibu through the video so y'all can see the process too. But I ask y'all to like, share, subscribe to the channel once y'all get done. Other than that, see y'all in a second. I'll give y'all a sneak peek right quick so I can continue on this journey to the place. They say she dirty. Truck too. You can see all the freaking dirt. This suited and booted. Strap still tight. Good rubber, good rubber. Can't wait to smoke these babies up. She dirty, she been sitting in the garage for a little minute. Not tripping, not tripping. Yep. That's her. Like I say, getting her to this shop. Man, it's cool. Getting her to this shop. Get this surgery going on with her. And I'm gonna come back as soon as I get to the place. Get y'all that little video of taking off, getting on in the place. Hit y'all back in a second. I'm out. What up, what up? It's Lundau back at you again. Just finished up the muffler system. Old long surgery. Looking good. I'm satisfied. Satisfied. Old flow masters. Dump downs. Hell yeah, can't wait. But let me load it up, get back at y'all. Well, hold up, I'm back. Gotta go ahead and get some old gas. She is locked and loaded. Got her on the trailer, safely secured. I know y'all wonder, like, why the hell he got that shit like that. I know she ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. Got her stretched from the back and from the front. Man, she is dirty. But got the old muffler system on under here, if y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. Let me give y'all a little more taste from the back end. Good old turn downs. She coming along. Coming along like butt cheeks. But yeah, I need to get to the car wash. This is filthy. I am not a fan of filthiness. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get this to the crib and unload it. And I will hit you back then. I'm out. All right, it's your boy Lundau. Made it to the crib safe. Man, that was a long ass ride by myself. Had to push this mug on the damn trailer by myself. Everything by myself. But hey, if I can't do it, who else gonna do it? Sure ain't finna pay nobody to do it, so do it myself. But so it was a good day. Messing with old babe all day since 6 this morning, take her to the appointment. But next stop is Chicago. Do the finishing touchings. And man, can't wait. Coronavirus. Scan every damn body. Half of the shops don't want to open. It's tripped out. Man, she dirty. What the hell? Dirty, dirty, dirty. Get y'all a little sneak peek of the interior. Get this on out of here. The lower control arms got to get put on. Medco. 4 9-inch gasket in the box. Rear sway bar. Hotchkiss. Hotchkiss, I can't even think of the name. Drive shaft loop. It's coming along. Coming along. Coming along. On this freaking mud. Look at her. She white and dirty and dusty. But let me go ahead and unload this mud by myself. Might take an hour, but hey, she gonna get in there. And y'all get them boys, YouTubers in Chicago, go ahead and subscribe to their channel. CJ on 32, Stunner Reese. CJ, other channel is Vlogger with CJ on 32s. Y'all want them old schools, get over Gucci, get it gone. Fabo, they gonna hook y'all up. Oh yes, big shout out to PC Customs and Sammy's. Y'all got some good old work, boy. Y'all will be heading y'all way soon. But like I said, let me go ahead and get this car off this trailer and get back to you all. I'm out. What up, this your boy, Sting Lundown. Sorry I couldn't get back to y'all yesterday, got a little tied up, but here I am with the update of the Malibu. Took it yesterday to get the 3-inch muffler system put on with the floor masses. Had to rig it up. So I'll make sure she got powered on this first crank. Still got to put the drive shaft in. Aluminum, Sonex. She could take a beating. Then you got the rally. Still got to put these in. Dual fans. So that's gonna be sewn. But show y'all the aluminum radiator, frostbite, 3-core. Getting it together piece by piece, but thank God the winter is gone, sort of. Still cold, but you know how that be. All right, let's crank up, see what she got. She looking like underneath. Yeah. She's wet. have mercy. That's what I'm talking about. I can't wait to smoke these bad babies up. Old Mickey Thompsons. Man, that girl wet. Golly. Good old turn downs. Doing what they need to do. Still gotta do the rear a little more. Change the gear and that. Gotta get it right. Car shows, we on our way soon. But shout out to them old YouTubers in Chicago. Gucci Get It Gone. Y'all get at him about them old schools. Fabo. They get them clean old classics. Shout out to Stunner Reese, CJ on 32s. And get up to his other channel, Vlogger with CJ on 32s. Subscribe to them brothers' channels, man. They good dudes, man. They getting that footage in for y'all. Same here. But I ask y'all, if y'all liking what y'all hearing and seeing, subscribe to my channel, Distinct Lundown. Like, comment, share. Hit that notification bell to all so you can get every piece of video footage I am putting on. But yeah. She's coming. She's dirty, as y'all can see. But hey, when she get done, she gonna be crispy. But yeah, I'm about to get on out of here. Man, big relief. These project cars, boy, they a lot of time and money, man. Half of this stuff I did, some stuff I don't know how to do. Took it to the shop for them to knock it out. But Chicago boys, Tim Bordegain, Bedded Up Customs, y'all subscribe to his channel too. He get down and dirty on the frame notching, you know, tubbing and all the goodies that you want, man. But I'm about to sign on out of here. Y'all get back at your boy. One.